first we have to clean the area of supporting tree around 2 feet radiation, and lose the soil like this. Okay, so we have to lose the soil, so only 2 to 3 inches, and we have to accumulate this mulch. So whatever you are getting natural mulch in your estate, so this is the mulch. So loose aeration should be there for vanilla. Okay, so to protect this mulch, we have to do the bunding. So soil bunding we used to call, or any other artificial material like rock or say mesh also you can use. Okay, so we have to tie this bund. Okay, nice. So this is the 2 feet radiation from plant supporting tree to this one, what you are going to plant. So this is the plant. So 1 meter cutting. So the node should be upper side. So this node should be upper side. So this is very carefully we have to see. By bare eyes you can see that you should not plant ulta. You have to plant upper side only. Okay, so bottom side you have to cut the 75% of leaves of 3 nodes. Okay, so this is the planting material get ready. So you have to keep above this mulch. So this mulch should be minimum 6 inches. Okay, so above 6 inches also well and good. ऐसा रखकर ऐसा ये प्लांट करने के समय में 2 members required, 1 to hold, and you have to tie smoothly. First bottom you have to tie. So, 1 minute, wait. So the tying should be between 2 nodes. Okay, that's all. Don't need to tighten the rope. So top of this stem we have to put around 1 inch mulch and compost mixture, or you can add cow dung, any type of cow dung mixture. So little bit enough. So periodically you can 3 months, 2 months wise you can apply. No need to apply more on at a time. Okay, so it will go through and it will distribute this manure towards a 2 feet radiation. So why we kept the stem outside means, so we have to keep some rock or to avoid stem rotting. So from here stem will rot in rainy season, most probably in Chikmagalur area, this area, rainy area, to avoid stem rotting. So this is the 2 nodes will be give the roots. Okay, that's all. So pour some water. Then after first that root zone will improve, get started. Then after 1.5 months the shoots will come out.
So he was Mr. Ganesh. Thank you, Mr. Ganesh, for all the information.
Yeah.
So hi guys, this is Sandeep. I'm the founder of Amyra Farms. So vanilla farming is really very profitable, but बहुत ज़्यादा tricky भी है. It's not as easy as it sounds, but अगर आप lucky हुए and if you know the right way, you can make a very good amount of money, and it could act as a really good intercrop for your coffee plantation. So ऐसी सारी वीडियोस के लिए you can subscribe to our channel Amyra Farms, और अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप हमसे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी पूछ सकते हैं. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. Happy farming.